Hi, welcome to MasterCadx YouTube channel. Welcome to MasterCadx. In last class we discussed it is the base part. Today we are going to move on to the next part that is called it is the wise jaw. So in last class we discussed that it is the base which how to construct. Now it is jaw will be placed on this about base part over here. So for that a diagram is given. Okay, so this is our dimension of the diagram. So now how to construct here. So before that where have to start. So the jaw will be, you can see this one. Okay, so this is the plate. Okay, you have to construct, and I will give that is the extrude. Next is the back square plate. I will draw it in later works. So for that one the diagram is given. So this is the diagram. First I will construct it in the outer part of it. New standard IPT. See the name of the part is it is wise jaw. So now I'll start from the 2D sketch. So I'll start from the point from here. The distance is half is 32, 10. So first I have to change the unit. So unit is taken as millimeter. So I apply sketch command. Now it is 32. Height is 10. Next from this center point to over here you have to calculate the distance. You have to calculate from this center point to over here. So it is 36. Okay, so 36 overall the distance is given. So you have to calculate the height of the from this center point. So now you can see this, it is R16 is given. R16 means it is become it is a 30. Okay, so this will become it is a 16. So 36 minus 16 have to place over. Okay, so you can see given R16. So now the center point from this point to this point is 36 minus 16. 36 minus 16. Okay, and from there how to draw the circle. The circle dimension is given it is 16 as a radius. So I require it is a diameter. Next I will construct the two lines. Okay, similarly half part I will draw it over here. So that half part is 32 and height is 10 mm. I will close this one using the line command and another line. So it is the same is like in a base part. Okay, so I will go to the tangent. So make it a tangent this line. Similarly this one. So distance we know that this one and this one is 50 and half of this one 25. So the sketch. Now I'll remove the unwanted line using the trim command, so which is not required. And next is once it's constructed and there is a radius is given, it is R3 from this point to here. Next I will go to the extrude command. The extrude command, the distance is from here to here, that is 32 minus 10, so it is 22 mm. Okay, this is a sketch. So extrude, and the distance is 32 minus 10. Okay, now you can see this, I am not constructing this hole. What is the reason of not constructing a hole? They given the hole size is 12 and the depth was, it is a 24. We got it, the distance is 32 minus 10, this is a 22 mm. The hole is up to 2 mm, again the depth is there. So I will consider later, once the plate is, I will draw it over here. Okay, so don't make it any mistake regarding this to construct of this hole over here. So now I take the backside plane and I will try that rectangular size is 36 and 64. So this distance is automatically become 64. Only height is from here to here is, so you have to mention that how much is 36. Finish the sketch and give the depth, it is 10 mm. So this is our 10 mm. Now once I constructed, next I will go to the hole command. Okay, and I will construct that is my actual the hole and the depth of it. The hole size is 12 and depth is 24. Cut, and the distance is 24. Now you can see in the top view there is a rectangle. Okay, so now the next one, half part is over. Okay, half part is over. Now from the bottom, you can see over here there is a 10 mm is given, and you can see there is a two holes are there, and that height is was it is 16 mm. So from the bottom there is a plate I have to construct. From this uh, pocket, or sorry, not pocket, it is a size which was a 16 by 9 mm, and is throughout over here. So I'll take the plane from here and I'll construct that over here from this one, and the distance is 16 by 9. 16, and from the center point I'll take, it is, we know that it's 8 and height is 9. Finish the sketch and the extrude distance is all in opposite direction. The extrude opposite direction, and the distance is, we know that the distance from here to here is 32 mm. Okay, so you can see here, and next I will construct the hole. You can see there is a two hole over here. The hole is, the size was 16 and diameter of the hole is given over here, that is 6. Take the plane and take the one a reference point. This is my reference point, and the reference, the dimension you have to take, that is in between, that is 8 mm. Okay, we know this is a 16, then this point to this point will become 8, and similarly from one point to another point is 8. Now take the whole command. Okay, the depth was, it is 16 and hole size is 6. Okay, and is a V bottom. Similarly, the another one, I will go to the pattern command, select the feature, and the direction is, take the first direction over here, and the direction from one point to another point was 16, and change it is a direction and press OK. Okay, so this is your second. Next, the final one you have to construct over here. So for that one, you can see that there are two holes are there. So first size of hole is, it is a 10 mm, and depth is 4, and second was, it is a size was, it is a 6, and it is throughout. Okay, then throughout more from here, but we know that the plane won't select in a curved surface, so you have to create the plane. Start from the plane over here, and first I will create the plane from here to here. It is a 36 mm. So now I'll take the one plane, that is offset plane. Now this is my plane, and it is asking downward, so I'll take this minus 36, and that's okay. This is my a new plane. So from the new plane, so I'll start the constraint from the top view. So now this is my plane. So now I highlight this all the project geometry because I require the center point. So now in the from the center point, you can see this one from the back in. You can see that this is my back there. From there it is a given, it is a 24 distance. Okay, sorry, 20 is a distance. So I'll take that a center point. So this is my center point. From here I'll cut distance was 20 mm. First I will construct the one, the throughout hole, and the throughout hole the distance was, it is throughout hole the distance is 6. So I'll take that, it is 6 mm. Next I'll delete this line, not required. Finish the sketch and the extrude, and from the this point to over here. Okay, so actually required from here to here, but I'll take from here to here, that is this is 16, the R16. So I'll take that setup is 16. So now here I'll take it is the material is added. So material should be removed already. Okay, the material should be removed. Next I'll take the another plane, and I'll do the project geometry. From I take the next circle, you won't get any center point over here. So for that one I'll go to wireframe mode, and sorry, shaded, and I'll go to this project geometry, and from the center point, okay, we know the distance is 20 mm, and this is my center point, and from once the center point is constructed, so we know that height is 10 mm and depth is 4. 10 mm and depth is 4. Finish the sketch and extrude. That is depth is 4 mm. Okay, so the diagram is completed. Next, I will be visibility. I will go into remote over here. Okay, visibility, and I'll change the material. We know that this material is made of, it is a cast iron. So I'll go to the eye properties, physical, and the material name is cast iron, and apply close. So this is my final diagram. Thank you for watching. In next video we are going